I got the chocolate all the way.
Nice.
Or maybe almost all the way.
I got your raspberry all the way.
Good. The chocolate's good. That chocolate, oh, that is so good. What ice cream cups?
That's another name for a cone.
Oh.
Very hard at work, Charlie.
I'm glad you did a big, very big scoop of dulce de leche because I told you to. Because that would be best because that was my favorite flavor of all.
Boy, Charlie, you really lucked out there with that bowl. Your face is covered with ice cream. You know this. You want to give me the last bite? You want to give me the last bite?
One bite.
No, you're so sweet. I wouldn't take it. I was just teasing. Thank you. No thanks. You eat it. Thank you, though. That's very good.
Mom.
Yeah.
Eat one bite. I see I'm almost to black raspberry.
Which was your favorite flavor?
It was a black raspberry.
It was at the very top.
Where is it now?
In your belly.
Is it in the bowl?
No. It's in your belly. You ate it. It was on the top.
Where is it now?
It's in your tummy.
Not in my tummy.
You put it in your mouth and it went down into your belly. All right.